Hi everyone, welcome back to Jury's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I am going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, and it is peppered grilled mackerel. This recipe is so simple but so delicious. And if you are interested, please keep on watching with me and I'll see you later. So of course, for this recipe you need a fresh mackerel. Please, this is mackerel and not salmon. Salmon is pink on the inside. I'm going to marinate it with ginger, green chilies, garlic, onion, and one scotch bonnet. And I will also be adding some oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but please do as you like. Some people also use water if you want it to be healthier. So now I am going to add all my ingredients in my hand blender. You can use the standard blender if you want, but I think this goes quicker. So once everything is in, I'm going to add some food seasoning, and I am going to add some crayfish seasoning powder and a little bit of oil. You can also decide to use salt instead of the food seasoning or instead of the crayfish powder. Use what you prefer. And then I'll go ahead and blend it. And as I said, I am using my hand blender. And if you want to go really traditional, just take your asanka and tapuli. All my Ghanaians know what asanka or apotoiwa and tapuli is. That is if you really want to be traditional. And if you decide to go that route, please do not add any oil to it. Okay? So yeah. So let's keep on blending, and it is getting very smooth, exactly the way I want it to be. This is it. This is how it's supposed to look like. Perfect. So once we've done that, we're just going to pour it over the fish, just like this. And then we're going to make sure the fish is well marinated with the pepper, ginger, onion, garlic mixture. So don't be afraid to go in with your hands, and make sure the pepper enters the fish left and right, top and down, everywhere. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and cover it with some cling film. If no cling film, you can use parchment paper or a lid if you like, and place it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. It is even better. I left mine overnight because I wasn't in a hurry to put it in the oven. So guys, this is the next day and it is very well marinated. So I am going to preheat my oven at 170 degrees Celsius. So please do the conversion in Fahrenheit, please. So now I have lined my baking tray with some parchment paper, and now I am going to place my marinated mackerel on it. By the way, I got the fish from someone to promote it, so it was already cut. So please use the whole mackerel. Right guys, so it is ready. My oven is also ready. It's nice and hot, and we are going to place the tray in the middle right of the oven, just as you see here, and wait until it is perfectly baked. And here you are guys, look at this amazing baked mackerel. It looks delicious, it smells delicious. Oh my god, I'm telling you guys, try this recipe and you are never going to regret it. It will always be your favorite because it is so perfect. Look at this amazing fish. Wow. My dear YouTube family, what are you waiting for? Are you going to try this recipe? I really hope you do, because it's going to be your favorite. Your favorite. It is really delicious and so easy to prepare. You know me and my recipes, always easy to prepare, no shenanigans. So before we end this video, look at the inside. This is a perfect oven baked or oven grilled mackerel, peppered mackerel. You are going to enjoy this with banku, with kenke, with rice, with any of your preferred sides. So guys, this is the end of my video. I really do hope you enjoyed watching it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to put your notifications bell on so you don't miss any of my delicious recipe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.